Mbuye muno mwancho murigere ribone kirongo igena nogenderete kwegoke kubwatemero birionse gataseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusi cyaragire Chinsa Isato ekarongo kwarigania SMS Amayia irongo menyemura nara yana kwariganire asenchira ere yobekiranu ritanganike imati gaturanyore gatiari kwariganirete asenchira yobenge
Ando banyantura ngo basaba ntobasa kojaka koira watera namarimo gaiga kyagara oyo n'umusitu orendire n'igikoriye country ense ya Kenya
abamenyi banyanturago kobori wakorenda rinani ryensemeyo na gusimeke metasobonke kinga kense ya chengera ritkoria manani
family karevole mu family bo wazo abantu ko twara bari kinamba ibere usisa basekero monta ko twale namba ya nakira bakora agira kinamba Isato
okongusana nasamanga nayo bure monigo kwa ireire amateyemo gotamwaino yo mwabe myaka wetani etatu bono
omwempito innocent obirimo manyi na tote pass last time ndomosigete nande round yetutageta to ya pass because you drill mono
abaoroki gwabo bakorwa ibunge yabo basi kwe murunganiro konyoro wech basari ekige kubairane magega ke masomo ayo mnaenda mango mwancho murigere ringo kwarigania ringo manya senchera ere yoboikiranu ere triane Everline Osero tokubatranere Joshua Auta kwene kyawekere asense muyimanyiriro mukoinyore mna sense ya Facebook nambako ngendra gotonyora wetran Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabako titwetra @Ndizi TV News erio togendre gusanga amange okwariganta chake asenchera yoboikiranu awase omowaziri wa mwana yobochenu korwase county ya Nyamira Dr. Umbati abeire kawe sokia nagokana manganayo agendrete gotebekana nanigo county gosenya getari ye rifaro ya Nyamira etabwatye bindo biribiganeirie ase obokoreri bwe county eyo gatiaba mariogo semo ya ICU abigo chigari echichiko so gose chiko abarwaire gose ambulances nigakwaneire bindebyo nakoenekia na ebintebyo simbira senya getari ya Nyamira na igo nigo bakorwa bokoreri borobya gochiasaba menyi be county eyo.
The state, I want to thank you so much for taking time to come and fact-find on the allegations that were raised yesterday by a very senior politician. I want to start by saying that the allegations are baseless. The allegations are there without proper information. There have been allegations about ambulatory system. I can confirm, like you've taken photos, you've taken the videos on the status of our ambulatory system in the county referral hospital. It's up to date. About the CT scan, you've already confirmed whatever that I wrote yesterday in the media about the CT scan. We have got 2 CT scans, a 16 slide and a 64 slide. We have 2 plants. A plant here mogeko produce 540. Chilita 540 as a minute. Another plant will produce 150 liters per minute. This is the oxygen we are using in our ambulances. This is oxygen and therefore I'm requesting our beloved leaders of this great county, leaders who may want even to lead the people of Nyamira County, instead of making utterances from areas where we cannot confirm, walk to Nyamira Hospital, confirm whatever that is there.
Togotigana nayo nigo amatemo korwase kenyoro kya Nyaura yo tokase bunge nyaribari chachime county ya Kisii yaganire oboene korokana ero banyore oboremo babe bakumweni oyo mwabo oyoberera sengendu asegeka wetani emyaka 3 korengana ne amateyo nigo nyagosira abe gosiba muraba mwabo nyagosira bagotayo na tabwate oboremegento kya muireire erekobera sengendu egekeki yonsi muri keto Josephat Hamisi na tarenge yuno gutwariganire robotiro kubwatia
enka mokruase kenyoro kya Nyaura nigendrete ko bagikorera oboene bwabo kubatikana no gotamweni uyu mwabo unyarete ko bagagusira emyaka 3 nyare ko bagigweta no mubero ye gutigara asengendu ya Kisii level 6
ngato abangeta mwango to abangeta matanga ya tanyarete ayeni tera to abangeta ayeni tugakora bakeme change 3 twakora michange bere minyenku tugakora ya manka gaigo Ana karaba andali tugeli alenga yokorana ande bachibo bande ba kana chibesa ta kwende mochari bakana na nyagitali singa nyagitali cyane rasirete bana karaba karara bakanyara umubero yo bekube kosoni
bona abaisike barure kinga cyabo bakire okire mugango bole mobo no boys na isega gwata male marenga arakatatu no bole mobo agira betikina be chonse bitaimale mago bagorete usaba gorito njario obole mobo no bwe family family kare bole mu family bo watu abantu ngotwara bari kinamba ibere Isato musekero mundaga twale namba yeme
korengana na Gladys oyore omongino nyagusira niga ereire getaseni Ndizi TV buno mochando bobolemo nigo nyarako bogo chaka bwango iga ekero mugakoye Francis Nyangoto anyarako bagagusira korwaso boiko bwense
korumaya ga bumbi yo twarenge ndwagwate story ende yonse mbi yo twarenge nona abana bumbi yabarenge mujando ndo basi bitole ngora bana yamanyiro kero mugako nuku bana libagote banganye ngayingo nganya guki
kubatakane chikosho ne cyanyarako bakikobekwa ase bigambero na chicheire nyagusira gotaini gwago ikera ase kinga kiechi
nabo bakanete nga mubiri tuli ko eni guga buli mobo so yorogetu Francis Nyango bakani nga buli mobo iga tali ko eni go bakabeke koso nie koti
kurende omongina Gladys nganyareko bagagwetera amange
mwisiko yo muntu tararuga agango muntu ko baneti aseke Gusii takona nono muntu mugondu bw'umuntu acokora chikondi cyagakorire egarare ndabana abaje tago sibiri nono muntu cyanga agasibiri egaranyore sabuni abana abaje na era batumiye no hari siko ga igasibiri bona ago sibumba kanga kiki
ningi gose kyanyareko bayo korekana ase ekigambero
twarosi twairi baka code Auta korwe koti tuakani baka land sina sabi tuakani chibasi hicho tuakani 22,000 elibo sina mbi tuakani baka totebigana molente code Auta ye aruru kurwe koti moga toyende mogondo ekera tuagende koti tukanyora nga barusirie code Auta original babisire
no mochando ngai ochakirete
Felisa basoire bono nabo babigete mubiro ye koson nabo bagente kuambe koti bakire kibesa maki bakabakire bakabachache koti bagotabango buli muno bwa Felisa abayete kibesa inganga no boisa Felisa bona batake to buli mubuiga babuire elinda aba obuli mubole asabana abakomenya
Francis Nyangoto niganyarete ko bagwatirwa obulimo emyaka emege yarete ko begweta
tabwate namba ya buli mwakere buli mubugwatwa igalengo omoke yalengo mwakustina tata lengo omoka agwate emyaka 3 obuli mubekere bwatetwe igo abege tubabere amona mugire ono yorule moino galia okiro wando bwatire nandi nambe 29 ya fochali 2989 kinama chikolit 1717 keren kiro mukiro 17
bono nigo abamate abasane mona bairi baye Gladys babolire serikali nyarako bage gwesokia elinde ekore omuchando yasobwango na boigo Gladys nyarako bakomeni umugakoye elinde bugima bonyarako bokogenderera
ona metega buno mukimbisi olio tanyometuga serikali tigeto konye elinde omongino anyoro umaene bwaye ekina kiekerero njenkolera
bana bani bamenyete town na banyalda tabana bachikuru no bale town bana nigo gakingo sabe serikali akimondale monga sengenjo na tesekiri bana mwana yopelisa no mwana mumuruminto
serikali sengenjo twachire kotemarendo kurumaya ganga tigatumnyoka gucya ibine ebimwaera sirumuni gwete bya uba ubire igo ntukite konyara bumaene lakini sije ikire katogosabanga serikali gakia soime mono mugabano ito simbarati basoime motokonye egaro musubati yo mintanya robokonye
Koripoteri getaseni Ndizi TV kurwa ase Kenyoro Kenyaura ige kutoka ime constituency nyali bali chache imeye county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Amisi
Miyamano murikeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ururu kiranu abaraya bakoro korwase county ya Kisii na baigo county ya Nyamira nigo bamwakire mbiyo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto aso korwa mabagago chiase omogusi ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza baigo nigo baterena mbare tayari kumwarigani Ruto aso rogongo rwa Gusii ritkure Juma aka murikeito Frida Kervo na oroboti urwaso bwime
Sia bantu baitu tuwabeire chi minister, tuwabeire assistant ministers, tuwabeire chi chairman in various places. Tuwabeire solicitor general, which is very good, and we are happy for those positions and many others. Serikali yaitu yatoire.
Ebyo ngati ebirogo omugusi abeire gakwenyorera ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Ukwana ase omubagani oyomo imemo cyobosongo nigo abaraya bakoro kurase county ya Nyamira na boigo Kisii bairanirimbyia mono ase okwinyora omugusi.
Igoli tangani egitwaranyorire buno omugusi ntonarete koiranira mbia mono ase gikwaranyorire kwabekire koboko. Igo twiranira mbia mono sana na ndange kwande. Yakwera ntwana ko batutari gusunera boba buno omugusi. Bono boba nabo gutukale gusunera. Ase atoire biroge bya atoire gocha Gusii.
Tinga kechyo oboigo nigo Sabina Kennedy nigo ainyora abasubati abo bainyoirwe ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na boigo omowaziri bwetisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki.
Mono mbiyamona ase ngenjato choro yo minto Machogu koba ase omowaziri ase nsemo yechisemi. Naenda toere na bande birogo na boigo na toinyora mna intu abangina gatoinyorera omongino ito mama umongina bitutu koru suneka igabu bonjari.
Nigo airali bagalia bene ase okwarigania etaro yomoraibense Dr. William Ruto ase orogongo rwa Gusii ase aine kibuna nigo omorembo rororo butambe. Nigo boigo agokera ase nsemo yoboremi ase ligoririo boyo liraniri gwense.
Naende togotebyo president yaitonga karibu sana Gusii ntunto bwatige ntokende gyonsi kanyagari kende gyonsi ntubwati mangana maandamano ntutotake tomogerembe naende togosaba muno gocha karibu sana otoe binte binge Gusii ekiagera toramo naye naende twakwata chikura chinyinge mono ase nsemo ya Gusii naende toroche nga nsemo ya ase agirigacha mbiyamo na sengencha yeri obuoyo naende twanyorire obuoyo ase obonge tokore ensemo yobure.
Engana yokorobekana nigo yagikerigwa ase bagokera omugusi ase ogotarobekana litko ligoro naboigo kumugania kogendera no mukia obwokwerigeria.
Igia kabere ndaito wakera abagusi bo simbuya mono ekiagera litko ligoro amandamano nararenge abaminto ba asimio babangete lakini omugusi esa ugiaro omonto bwomukia iga koreta masikani tasogeti tasaritigaci yae aje kuandamana togoteba omukio oyo twatwarete tigatogenderera igo ntuntomayete buna tokorie enigo yaito ntomayete buna togokora amang'ana aito tigatogenderere boigo
county ya Nyamira mbagokera obochori bw'omugusi ase serikali ase baboria kwinyorwa ase ebirogo biria byatigaire.
Tatogoteba mbia mono ase president gotoera abantu baitegaci ikorogo bnekio bo solicitor general nekoroge kenene tunasema asante sana babo mangi Vincent Kemosi na abandu bairia iregas tunasema asante.
Abamenyi borogongo rwa Gusii nigo baborigwe kobeka omorembe chingaki omoraibense arache ase baborigwa gwesokia ase obonge elio kumwarigania.
So far tatagoteba mbia mono na ende mbia mono president asoto mabagaya naende tugosabenga buno goja Gusii naende ewiki eye karibu sana abagusi baitu toiriri bageri ko basabanga ekere president yense goja Gusii toicha sobonge toiche NCP tumukaribishe nera firinga Gusii nsobo naende nabwate yakiogoja naende ninyegenete nga amasikani ntomworoki.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Biamono murikeito Frida Kerubo ase oroboti ururu ikiranu chingaki aboroki wa baba bakogenda aso mutumukomoke bwa masomo gusoyumanikanite na halftime nigo bono babeire bakwirana utyase chiskuru eri okwegendereria na masomo abo nabono nigo ababwatani betsemi korwase chiskuru au aime county ya Kisii besokire na gukwanira igoro y'omutumuko yomokeiga egento bago keire na goteba buna gosegwa kere serikali ngambia aso kwirania kalende ya masomo na tana nechikoa abaroki watching akinyororo cyo kwegenderia na masomo abo amanke tigateguna twarganira umurikeito Ndemo Stephen.
For example, from the grass
mageka yo mutimo moke nige kerengekene kya boroki gubairanira sentunde akabire yetamwe ntangani yo mwako yo chiri bwibere na 23. ntwatarira chiskuru ime kitutu chache South gati yabo secondary ya St Patrick's Mosocho.
Amuna twakorera after mietega abana bairenire buya ande weekend ya kianda yetamu tugenda kugasana ngange bali guchaka mateme yo mwari bwetamu na abana baito ba form 4 ngokora bara matemwa joint babwatinyi skuru cia migori igo bairenire buya na ntogenda tamu torena itora ikere mwako
gati yabire chiskuru chigo chengera no koiranira gwe kalende nkeranu ye chisemi yu aseke getambe yale marigwa na COVID-19.
Remember here we have said that the energy is going to decrease as you go down the trough levels. You have started with 100 kilojoules, we went to 60.
Ndate go chaka waka mbiyamana sencho ya serikali yaito banyara ko normalize mangana chitam kiara omwako aratantu atorto bakomo banane mune day school kunyara goikeri gokole syllabus chinga kichialenga chinge yalengo bakongomano anda nene senga bana bakuru kanande bakoira namba menyetin igontu ali kunyara gotwara Chinsa chingi yamana chiwo kole syllabus abalende batemete ntu akolete lakini eso bwangomano igo mwako yo muna chitamu chiabeta noma ntoroche ngatwera nirenjereria ite ya kawaida nko wigarere na abana batwara chinga kichibwanarata elinde baikera kuigwa mangana ali bagasomi kuchi topic chionsi chitali kuaireri kuchikwera asenga kiebwanarata igo ntokagerete nga ogokora kwa basama temwe kakobo ukuya esenjeri bagalina na lietamu etamwera no mwetali chiwiki chibutoreire gati wana batokonyara kuikeria ale mano kubwesi baikeretio mwakwara
abaiboli nigo basabiru go siremero berie chiskuru elikorro byobokoreri bwe chisemi
anene mono gotoraganya abaiboli batakonya na togoteba utambe koene kinga abana babo batokire skuru ekiara mne day school ego chayata kongera kera mwana atari goika kwanyara mbali goike skuru esengenje ya mugose yende yatwara bakonko babwati ekiara ntokonya goikeri bonsi igo muno muiboli onyara goikera nikomanya ngo mwana oyo ikire skuru na kubwati na baikere skuru nende bakorega asiri bakoewa na ende kere baganire skuru na baiboli baikera nikubwati abana babo gokora kwabo ntoganire serikali tokonya abalimu na infrastructure ebirasi ntoganire muna bana ntoganire abana barange abana 70 abana 65 ase class twale konyole birasi binde bire extra na batwale ko abagana erinde batwara libagali saine goike ukorambale kekera bagasoma
magiga ya COVID-19 konyara guturubania kalende chisemi ya sense ya Kenya niko bona chisikucha gendire ko gokera okwera gwe kalende chisemi yubone batinga kibene cheru sanyarire ko bagekoera asabona bali muna batirive chisemi batebire buna nigensemo ya kabire yetamwe ntangani yanyarire ko bakigocha kavene ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko Igase secondary ya St Patrick's kutoka Imea ward ya Osero ebonge ya kitutu chache South area taliane Ndemo Steven
Miyamono Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ororikiranu aboroki wabakorwa ase ebunge abo basime county ya Kisii and Nyamira University Niche College nigo besokire na kwemurunganiria okonyorwa wage basari gento batebire nigo gekobaire na magega ase amasomo abo nabono nigo bamuchire mu bunge bwenseme yo Innocent Obiri aso okonyorwa kwena na ose kubwatoka chi basari gento bamuganirie kwango ya omurobere yo elio ko bakonya kwegenderera bya ase amasomo abo muri Josephat Hamisi na Manki.
Chingaki eserikali enene yabwatukire chibesa chekiganja keligia CDF echikoba chikokonya abana anene ase chibasari bono nigo aborokiwa kurwa ase constituency abo basi bamumochiri omobunge bwenseme Innocent Obiri asikeli batabire anyore ko bagakubatoka chifom nabo igo chibesa chyo chibasari echikokonya abana ase chisemi chiabo
Kisii National Polytechnic Omorayo ito Innocent Obiri ogatwachi form last round sayo gatu promise na chipasere chiwe on time twaganyire bado nchiraika atate tomata konyo koirango sie kerutora abanda matem ntora akora at least chitobush togendera sama somo ito ntuntu tato chiko baba abara iba mami
njeno mwanafunzi ko Kisii University asamarita ngoro ku Sylvester Sagin korwa bas constituency omwempi to Innocent Obiri mamanyi na tote pass last time ndomo sigete na ndera round yeto takata to ya pass because you train mono ata constituency sa bari sivri chipa siabo so what we watch him ata pass yeto in time to korama tem aturanyara kaba togosukuma motemo tokuya ase omorem
bagokwana ase polytechnic ya Kisii aboroki gwabwo nigo bamochire chiobisi ao cha CDF ase constituency yabo basi ase stara ire gatambukiro kende gionsi koene kiabuna abana banyane ko bagoichura chifomu echo nechibese cyo kunyara koba chikobwato kwa
ito honorable Innocent Obiri Momanyi once gotore trending ata sukumirita korubasa. I remember last time betere tukaenda media tukamurikira marube tukamwachi matumata 72 hours na whatever akamanya wacha consider wanafunzi akawe basari nchiensinyire because chi constituency ile chiko value education and in one way or the other Obiri mpaka na bet supported akamanya gusoma kimasomo kieka Obiri akobe enemy ya masomo asebo basi nkieko garanga lazima Obiri abetere ukobe basari.
Kwa majina naitwa Lucy kutoka Kisii Polytechnic. Sasa sisi hapa tuko kwa hii nini, tunataka hii pesa ya bursaries, tunazitaka sana. Tunafaa kunini kuregister for the exams, tunafaa ni kusoma tena, tunafaa kukaa class tusome ndo tukae tuconcentrate tupite pia si tukae elders wa kesho.
Nonyera bo magiga barabo ko ire gatambukiro anne gutarira chiobisi china ko mwakeresimi aboroki wao nigo batebire tibaranyora lichibu elikonyara ko bariko baisanekia anene chinga kibune chibaganeti ko baguchure chibasari na konyora chibese cho asobwango.
I'm the president ya Bobasi Universities and Colleges Students Association. Bono na temiro kwa na viongozi sana vya constituency including Obiri Omanyane. Na temiro kumwakiresi na temiro utumia WhatsApp kwa bakwanira lakini chi response toko nyora ni chama tusi tuaramiru ukiona kwenye imefikia paka toko cha kuwaswasa media tumejaribu peaceful methods zimeshindikana. So Obiri atike gosori abwate yo gutuma abantu bae group gotorimi inganto basoko bori basalis chile response toka nyoranchiringa etibasa ritari lazima monyore imeandikwa wapi pesa ya pasa rinjiri kwenda gochi national government
kuripoteri gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa Polytechnic ya Kisii yigotoka ime county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.
Miyamano muriketo Josephat Hamisi ase orobotiruri kiranu abamenyi bense moya nyantrago nigo babori wewe soke na usmike meta sobonge na nene korenda amanani aya niga kwano litkoria lero chinga ki ensengi maya ego chengera litkoria manani go se International Forest Day awase omo waziri bwa macha se county ya Kisii Ronald Nyakweba kubatirana no MCB wodi ibeno Stivari kama na barayibande baraba bwatani bense go se baraba na inchi korwa sensemeyo ase ogosmeke meto muriketo Mildred Momanyi nekirana sayo na utwariganire roboti asenchira yobwikiranu.
County ya Kisii nigo ya sanga ne Chinsa chinde ensengima asogo chengera litukolia manani go se World Forest Day eriko bali go chengerwa chitaliki emerongebere nemo omutinyo gatatu kero mwaka omurobelyo yonigo okolekana ase ekerubogia nyanturago amone skuru ya Irungu PAG asogo simeka emete Gatia baraiba ikirana nomo MCA we wadi ya Ibeno Stivarika amono mwaziri wa mache ime county ya Kisii Ronald Nyakweba gatia baraibande asebono omwaziri ateba mbache kubaterana elioko ene kiabuna ngosime kabale emete menge elioko tanga omorakera
koria riengenjo mono tuachirira ganyantrago osimeke mete elio tunyare korenda omositu oyo onyantrago abantu banyantrago ngo basaba ntubasa ochaka koira watera namare mugaiga kyagera oyo no mositu orendire ne rigikorie country ense ya Kenya igoto yosike togenda gusimeke mete toje togite gaiga asa onsipi tunya korenda forest utasimeke mete torende amacha ito mamina mambiende ndikira gutwara murakero monene oragere abantu baito bakwenchara sengenje na tusimeke bimerimbi kokina
nigo boigo omo MCA agania abamenyi gotatwara boba bokurwa amaremo ase boigo ateba amanani nabwate obwansu bwae
mete ase kerbogeito egere turinde ebirogeito iga abantu baga igataringa to gusimeka moseri gusimokala tutete gusimeka amacha toke abantu banyi aiga tubange emeteko beminge tutugeno ne chincho kegega abantu banya kuri oboke maranga tubeke chindani ikagera amachinaro igo tigatubwatirane na mite togosumeka tari into yagokonya n'abana baitu bali bagochigoche gisaku kyamandi bagutara aiga tokorosia sako bagia none chinyangi chigo cyakore rugaiga abantu bagucha banyore biriri byogokenderera kare round yari into atosumeke mite 2000 yagusumeka 35000 ebinto ngora nabo mugusiate yatenga binto byangora saka byangite
gati y'abasamaria abaya bali baikirana asensemeyo nigo bateba mbache kubwaterana na kwenekya buna emetengo cyo gusimekwere asobonge asensemeyo.
Plant trees today being International Day of Forest, and we saw that it was a good opportunity to give back to the community. So from my organization, the entire management, the board is really committed about the idea of planting trees so that community can benefit from fruits, animals can benefit as habitat. Also, our target is to reduce carbon emission.
We continue, it's not only for today, so and this is sustainability program for us, and our organization love a lot of for tree plantation, especially for protecting the environment. That's all.
Kuripota ya egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Ni kaunti ya Nyamira tetigiri magega bono asabanto babodi wako gendera gosmeke mete ase obonke murobiri gosmeke mete niko korekana ase skuli boroso ya Sironga yotoka sebunge ya West Mugrango awase emete wetani chirwibere yabake gosmeko murikeito job mangi no roboti urwaso bwagare.
Ekero ensengima ya chengera litukulinenere Chinsa ime kaunti Nyamira nigo abamenyi be kaunti yibachengera ase skuru ya boroso ya Sironga asemete chirububere abagego simekwa.
So we have planted 2,000 seedlings on this site. Because it is a compound, you find that the space covered is big. We have covered around 2 hectares, not acres, 2 hectares. We intend to plant 12,000, a total of 12,000.
Omoyego unigora unomo conservator Mark Oko, omokonyi womo county commissioner Florence Obunga, aseba menyibo igona boro kyobe skuru eyo, vaikirana. Omorai otenenerete oborendi bwemete ime county Nyamira, nate abanigo baligetigo simeka emete asobonge, elindego kinia ekerengo ye Chinsemo chibuate Chinsana.
The current forest cover which has been published is 12.8%, but we as Kenya Forest Service, we estimate that the tree cover in Nyamira is 35%. We have no quarrel, we don't debate that, because once you fly over Nyamira, you will see that the tree cover is really high.
Ase arwa esegete nene gochia saba menyi gosimeka emetege koro na gochika osimeki bwemete meringamu.
Us as Kenya Forest Service, we want to discourage overuse of the wetland by promoting planting of indigenous tree species. That doesn't mean that we don't plant any other species. We do, but we do plant those that are friendly.
Omokonyi bumo county commissioner Florence Obunga nate babuna eserekali neruete kulinda ebintu bitonchokanaine gwetera asobo simeki bwemete.
That this was a directive that was given by the President on the Jamhuri Day celebrations, where he directed that all chiefs must plant 30 trees monthly.
Ase arwa ekuro entindigo chasaba menyi bense meyo bunamba chikorisia etugo yabo ase skuru eyo.
He reported that the community graze their animals within the school compound. We want to discourage and we want to inform the community that nobody is allowed to graze within the school compound, and the trees that we are planting today, and even those ones that we'll plant gradually, we want to ensure that they are nurtured.
Arwa esege tugocha sabagambi n'abakonyi babo kora obusimeki bwemete asokoro sinasari chemete asabisi cyabo chire.
We have instructed all our chiefs and assistant chiefs to ensure that they establish tree nurseries at the locational level so that we are able to have enough trees to plant during this rainy season. We are saying that these trees, once they are ready and mature, we will identify public land or public institutions where we can plant these trees.
Tikolia rero lyokusimika emete esegeto eneneneringa emete nero obugima korua se sukuru ya Sironga egotoka ime county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbiamano murikeito Job Manki ase oroboti ururikiranu amate yo moroki ho yobete ga korasona banyanyimbo chingachokorobekana aburi tkuregoro ase University ya Maseno nigo besokire na korera obwene bwabo askere batere no mwana inigarenge ogosemeria ase amate chingakechibo igo niga boroki okuru ase University yo bakora ukorobekana askeria bakugekeria ogoito ko moroki wo yo nakugania obwene kororokana mange nigo twarganire na Vincent Onyancha.
Abuona baroki wabe University ya Maseno imeye county ya Kisumu bakorokorobekana igoro yokora soko yo mobo aburi tukulegoro chingaki cha mandamano asebaganiryo bone bwabo na komochia serikali. Okongusana nuko nigo kwagendera asegeka emambia ya rero. Omoroki woyo William Mayangi oromwako gatatu niga umeranete na mokwera ye asokorobekana gwakore kanteri tukurigoro maiga yo gwakorisa sia sebigoti byaye korengana nangina amonenka igo batigarete baumatete nabo igo mbirero bali.
He was to finish his course next year. Now this is the kind of graduation they are bringing me to. Mtoto wangu aliokotwa huko kwa barabara. Alikufia tu pale pale. Askari waliua mtoto wangu.
Kukufa wewe sijua kama unatokea wapi. Lakini ndio yeye. Nimehakikisha ndio yeye na hata siamini sasa nitaanza kusema chochote kuliko kuomboleza.
Chingaki cha boroki wabe University ya Maseno nigo batebere buna abanyanyimbo ndigo bamurasete bosa William atakoreti mamo chandonsi.
The trigger came from the police. We were triggered to respond. We were peacefully demonstrating until the police started throwing tear gas at comrades. In fact, when they started throwing tear gas, it's the comrades who were trying to quell them down. We had no bad intentions because at that point, before William was killed, nothing was destroyed, nobody was injured until they killed William. That is when 1, 2, 3 things that they are reporting that happened.
Voigo omweboria ye amone yamate nigo baichaniro gosira ku mwana obo motangi oyo konyoro isire gukora university.
Nikaambiwa mtoto ako hospitali na wakanidanganya tia cha kufa. Kufika nikaambiwa kwa mlango mtoto alikufa kitambo. Sasa ninahuzunika sana, mtoto wangu first born tadi ya Maseno. Nashangaa mtoto alifanya nini kuua mtoto wangu, si bandit. Badala ya maskari kutulindia watoto tena wanaua. I've lost my child. My child was at in Maseno University. I've lost my child.
Umuraiwe kyama kya ODM Rera Morodinga nigo chinga kye cyatebire buna na chigotene na amune chinga kiri cyasiririe abancho babo.
We pass our sincere condolences to the families that lost loved ones to the police brutality. We will stand with those families in all ways, including pursuing justice on behalf of their loved ones. We will ensure that all those responsible are held to account for the lives that were cut short and the pains of those who got injured.
ekyo getigarite bono no kumanya ngetambukiro kikirachi kwimukigwa ase baria basireti amagimabo ayonsi nkyanda ikomi ribori nribuna ning'oko mukigwa eserekali gosembaria barekorobekana. Ndizi TV, Vincent Onyancha.
Muyamono Vincent Onyancha ase oroboti orumwancho mulgereri chinga kecho ni gabara yabo korokoro ase orogongo rwa Gusii besokire na kogikeria okorobekana kweritukure igoro anene igoro yogo itwa kwa moroki woyo ase University ya Maseno nabana nigo batebire na nigo baguchigo chamo kubwatiranire kwenekia obwene bwarokanire ase amate
abe to gosirio bogima asengenje ya maandamano ayo omosikera ira korangeri kerengaki atabwati manufaa ase country igo to koireneria to gosabe serikali nga ekoro gwancha kwaye ekoro uchunguzi muno omwana orio itaitetwe erinde nani no omwana orenge omwana omomoima muna intwa abaibori kubwamana muna abaibori abangina abo tubwateri yanda riri nene asengenje omwana orio asireti obogima ekiagera omoibori gakweng'ata otoma omwana esukuru lakini omogaka eroto abana bayego bakare chinse chinde erotumia abana babanto bagenda amandamano nchera erinde omwana oria agaitwa prapti igo tware gosaba ng'a eserikali ekora uchunguzi naende step ebeteken
omwana oito nero itetwe Maseno omwana orio sirete no omwana nero bweka abaibori baye babwate buna omomura na sobere keroka negento kyogoichana sana ng'a Gusii twabekire omorembe abana baitu tutomete isiko bagosoma omwana oito omana gwende wakwa research bono togodemand buna community naki eserikali y'omweshimiwa Ruto ekore buna ekonyarekana bari bonsi bagereta maandamano yakaba bari bonsi bainisaiteti abana bari ng'asoa para abana batabwati shughuli abande none echikura batana gwaka bakekagera omwana oito agaitwa atua ichukuriwe ya ne serikali enyene erigie enchera egokompensatia efamily eria naende tobori mwaka raira kiara ne rurangeretia maandamano aya arigie efamily eria anyete ipole naende abasaba mabira
nekera barai ao bagenderete gokwanira igoro yokorobekana okukwa enegetwe ensengi maboritko gosense ya Kenya ngi maboritko igoro nigo igatia barai korwase county ya Kisii gatia bodori saburi oyoro movement rep ya county ya Kisii nabo igo Jafet Nyakundi oyore omochumbe webunge ya Kitutu Chache North babeire bawakira omusinga ngampia mono ase okoenekia omorembe na gutabwatana ase amandamano yeritkoria iria igoro nigo baganiro omusinga kogendera no moyo yoyo erinde kweneke omorembe ase orogongo rwa Gusii
ntoroche muntu oyo butambe wanchitesegi okorokura ila molo dinga igoro namacheti osalie bintu byabande Nairobi igaiga na Kisumu esengencho nga talikwege nanga nabwedu chikura engaki ya ikire na intu bunaba Kenya tobwente como tebi enough is enough ekero kyo president neke mogyoka nendo omuntu ore president bono iga no muntu okuruku William Samoei Ruto igo inchenda eteko bakira abagusii baitombia mono esengencho abagusii ntuchieti gotenenanga nechisegi na intu tokogenda igo ngwakira abagusii baitombia mono esengencho yokobeka omorembe yokorokia masikani yokorokinonya president itamasikani esengencho mwarorire Gusii astayo muntu atenene ngo chiare gosarie egento kyo muntu usingo chiare goteba president William Tari president usekende bunekyo igongwa keraba gusimbia mono esegasi eyo engia
ngi abantu barobekanete igoro ingi kyabete intebi gengente kama aso Gusii faida mwanyorete igoro abantu barobekanete para naende ngwakera Kisii county mbia mono ba abantu baito bachete byasara abana bari kwenda kisukuru gore bachete abantu bari ko rundi boda yabe bachete ondete yo bwagetugena ondete yo itereta manyinga please abantu baito bakisika enderera ne esaike yo
aba obisakoro ase wizara ya wachano ime county ya Nyamira litkoria rero nigo baumerana nababwatani ao anene kurwase ekiombe ky'abanyagetari ya KMPDO nabo igo ekiombe ky'aba clinic officers erego kwanira igoro yoko bwatrana gokinwa bokoreri ase sector ya wachano ime county ya Nyamira gekare kyo nigo kyara wono mwaziri bo wachano ase county yo Dr. Timothy Mbati.
On this very wonderful day,
when the health stakeholders are meeting to discuss matters that are affecting health and how we will work together moving forward. As you can see, I've been franked with my colleagues, the CEC members. There's also the team from health and the partners who've accepted to come and share with us or partake with us of this great day that we are having. Today, for the next 2 days, we'll be meeting to discuss on how we will work together. The partnership can be enhanced so that we can maximize on the service that we are giving and the support that the partners are giving in order to make sure that the services we are giving.
From His Excellency, the Governor, I also want to thank the Head of Department, who is Dr. Umbati, who is the CC, for having an all-inclusive stakeholders meeting. We feel, as the union, we feel part of this county in terms of health matters. And this kind of relationship is going to help us work together to ensure that the residents of Nyamira County have the best affordable, quality and timely health care. So I have to applaud this, and we are very happy and we are going to support each other.
Omurai kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo atebire buna amandamano na chikogendera kwenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya igwika amaoncherere yo kworobya obugima bwo Kenya abeire gakororokana yaniga yakwana asensemo ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Foundation chingaki akwanera magani alibaganetiye buna baraikurwase obomo bwazimio la umoja One Kenya gati abo okoiraniwa kwa commissioner bane bekiombe kyobochori nechimbebe IBC ababete bagutenwa emirimo nigateo na nigo barachi kogendera gukora amandamano ayo aseritkoria Jumatatu na begoritkoria Alhamisi.
We reiterate to our supporters and all patriotic Kenyans that this struggle is just starting. We are not looking back, and we will not be intimidated. No retreat, no surrender. Our issues remain as follows. Fellow Kenyans. Number one, cost of living. We will not relent until this illegitimate regime understands that the people are hurting and that their suffering must be at the center of our priorities as a nation. We will push on until the cost of food, fuel, electricity come down. 2, electoral justice. We will continue fighting the attempt to constitute a compliant electoral commission. Brutal Ruto must stop reconstituting the IBC unilaterally and packing it with his puppets without the involvement of other stakeholders. At the same time, we demand that the 4 commissioners who were forced to resign because they differed with Mr. Chebukati on the results must be reinstated.
Chingaki echioni gabachumbe korwase obomo bwazimio la umoja One Kenya beso kirena kogikeria amangana buneni bonigo yasaretiwe buritkuregoro chingaki okorobekana wakorekanete ya chinsemo imense ya Kenya tabona nigo baene kirena nigo barach kogendra gokorobekana asenchira erenyo yomurembe oika abakenya babere bagwikiraniwa amagani yabo.
The first thing I want to do is to thank Kenyans who yesterday demonstrated that they are tired with this impunity. The person who is purporting not to respect the law is the one who is now acting as if he's above the law. William Ruto and his commander of Nairobi called Bukei. You should have heard him yesterday. He was so bitter, commanding the police, telling them, "Pea dawa, pea dawa, pea dawa, wakule dawa," because he did not care. I've heard my colleagues say that we did not present any petition. You know, don't think we are stupid and think Kenyans are stupid. If you barricade and you block every access to any public office, how else are we going to be able to present the petition? The truth of the matter is this: Kenyans are tired. Kenyans demonstrated yesterday, and yesterday it was not only Azimio demonstrating. It was every Kenyan who is now tired, who is hungry, and who knows that what is happening with this William Ruto administration is illegal. Today, you saw in the papers and this is actually very, very wrong, that they have now allocated around 8 or 2 million shillings to buy vehicles. This is the only thing they care about. They just care about vehicles, they care about $1 million houses. That is what they care about. They don't care about Kenyans.
There was no any protesters of Azimio who destroyed any businesses in Nairobi or anywhere else. I think this is something that is very important to note, because this is what the other side has been selling and to business community, that our protesters will destroy businesses. We want to thank our supporters and request them that when they come next week, they maintain the same cool of not destroying any businesses.
All we are asking for are 3 things. Number 1, open the sample. Number 2, lower the cost of living. Number 3, make sure that you suspend this IEBC.
Na sensemo ya baraikorwa se kiama kia UDA ningo besokire na kugikiria ukurubekano bukwa korekanete aburi tukuregoro asibatere buna enibe nyinge y'abananchi nigo yabete ke gusariwa na nigo bamugikira murabe kiama kia UDA Raila Amolo Odinga aske batona tabwati ekirenga kerekia gyo kokonyo mo Kenya wedatiga koreta sara na guturubania omorembe na boigo amagendero ye serikali boigo nigo bakwanera igore gusariwa kwa magacho Under
the pretext of peaceful protests and demonstration, Mr. Odinga coordinated and oversaw violent confrontation, looting and destruction on a vast scale, preventing people from going to work, stopping education and other public services, and paralyzing business operations. The destruction, loss and damage arising from Mr. Odinga's chaotic activities will surely run into tens of billions of shillings. Mr. Odinga has indeed indicted himself as an economic terrorist and saboteur, a serial hypocritical liar and failed leader, whose insatiable greed for power through any means necessary, including the shedding of blood of Kenyans, is unmatched.
Kenyans, peace-loving Kenyans, asking government, if government is not able to take care of the situation, pressuring leaders that the public be allowed to protect their lives, their businesses and their property.
Wanachama wa UDA wa Kisumu, musiwe na shaka. Kuchoma jengo ama kuchoma magari yetu sio mwisho wa chama. Chama ni watu. Na ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kutangaza kwamba next week on Tuesday tunaenda kupaka rangi tena kule Kisumu kutengeneza ofisi yetu. Sasa watu wa Dala mutarajie UDA iko Kisumu on Tuesday.
Mwancho murigere bano roboti oru na rogotoreta omwero bo maye Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yoboikrana karongo akirangambia mono asogochora kubana nje bali bonsto batoko bwatrana kweneke awekera sensemo yoboikranu nigo na barabwanko bakirangambia mono nyero nabakwendera kubwatimiro berionsi getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwobwansu bwo Gusii asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News baigo mwanchu muriyeri ekerengereri kyao na bogusangana into wetera se namba era se screen yao gagu iretariane Everline Osero twabwatranere Joshua Auta kwene kyawe ikira sensemo imanyeriro na baigo Petronira Mukeira oyone kya chibicha neriogi kyawe ikire asenchira yabene twara uburigereri boro bya semero berionsi na baigo botko boro botoyereru